Welcome back to the Nightcap, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're making a Tom Collins. Again, we're just trying to help you out, making better than average drinks in less than average time. So go ahead and like, subscribe, send this over to your friends. We're going to hit the Tom Collins with 2 ounces of gin, 3/4 ounce of simple syrup, and then 1 ounce of lemon juice. So we'll go ahead and build this in the shaker. We've already got 2 ounces of gin measured out here, so this will be nice and quick for you today. So we're going to hit that down on the bottom. 3/4 ounce of simple syrup right on top, and then 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. So what do you do with that next? You put ice in it. So we got a nice little ice bag brought to you by Bullet. We're going to go ahead and use that and shake it up. Great. So that's shaken. We'll go ahead and get a frosted glass right here, and we're going to open up the club soda, which we'll put on top with this. Strain and pour. You only need about 2-3 ounces of the club soda. Pour that in there for right now. Now what do we need? We need more ice. So go ahead and grab that over in the ice bag and pour it down in there. Probably a little bit of a mess, but it'll be okay. You want to put the ice in afterwards just to allow it to get a little cold, but not overly cold and lose some of the flavor with the dilution once you finish pouring. So you want to do that. That's perfect drink. We'll top a little bit more. And then if you want to make it even fancier, just a little tip of the day. Nice garnish with a cherry and a lemon. So, this is Butte Clark. Cheers.